How to use KuCoiin Trading Bot, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with the KuCoiin Trading Bot. So let's get into it. First off, you want to download the KuCoin by Bitcoin and Crypto platform or application. You can download this via your App Store or Google Play Store, depending on what you have. And you can simply download this, and I already have it downloaded, and you can get started by registering your account. If you have an account previously, you can also use it on your phone as well, so you can just log on to that account. Now, once you open up the application, this will be your home screen. So this is the home screen of the KuCoin platform, and you want to click on the top left over here, and you want to log into your account. So from here, you can use your email address and your password to log in, or even your phone number, or you can click on sign up over here if you don't have an account already. And you can enter your email address and enter a suitable password to create your account. So once you have completed email verification on your KuCoin account, you can choose to enable Face ID if you want to. I am simply going to click on maybe later because I don't want Face ID features on my KuCoin account. And just like this, your account has been created and you can begin trading with the trading bots. Now, what exactly are trading bots and how do you get started? The first thing you want to do is to put in some money. So click on deposit over here and click on fiat, and you can deposit any kind of fiat that you want. You can enter that over here, and you can enter the fiat of your choice. Although before you begin trading, you do actually have to complete identity verification. So you can actually click on over here and go into your settings and complete identity verification for you to be able to start trading. Now, next up, if you click on your trading bot, which is the main focus over here, is you can see you have multiple different bots. So you have spot grid bot, future grids, infinity grids, DCAs as well. So one of the most popular bots is a spot grid bot, and you can click on that over here. And now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different coin pairs that are available. You also have 7-day profits, and these are the bots that function for 7 days. And you can see the estimated APR as well. Once you do that, you can click on next over here, and you can take a look at the automated bot. So this will be the automated bot. This is going to show you the grids. All the information will be listed to you on how this bot is going to function. You have the specific token. Let's say I want to change to Ethereum and USDT. And now this will automate a grid for me. So you can see you have your max increase, grid profits, the price ranges that I want to work in, and also the number of placed orders or grids and the total profits or grids or fees deducted. Now, you can choose to use your Ethereum or put in USDT. Let's say I want to put in 100 USDT. I don't have any in this wallet right now because this is just a sample account, but you're just going to enter the balance that you want to use. And below that, you also have your coupons that you can add, and then you can just click on create over here to create your own automated grid. Now, if you want to customize your grid, so the automated grid might not be just really that helpful, and you want to customize it, just click on customize over here. And you can click on fill all parameters for the autofill, and then you can customize the autofill. So maybe you liked the automated situation and you liked the number of grids and the total investment and all of that, but you want to work in a lower price range. So you can just simply put in autofill, and then you can change the price ranges. And now we are going to go on ahead and enter a different price range. After that, you can enter the number of orders you want to place. So let's say I want to place only 30 orders. And we'll see how many profit or grid fees will be deducted at the bottom right over here. And the more grids you place, the better the chances of a lower average price. So the lower the amount of grids there are, the higher there are chances. So if there's a large difference between the grids that you are placing, that means that your price average might not be able to decrease with a stable decrease. So I would recommend that you place more grids just to be safe and just to be able to, keep the average buying price low. Then you can put in the total investment that you want to put in this specific trading bot, and that is it. So once you do that, you can click on create and create your simple spot grid bot. Now, other than this, you also have other trading bots, and you can also do some copy trading. So if you take a look at this person's trade over here, and you can simply create the same bot that they have created. And these are just, the top grid pairs or the top bots that have been created. And this is something that you should do on your own risk when you're copy trading from another user. Now, next up in your trading bots, you also have futures grid trading. So this enables you to trade in futures trading and place bots in your futures trading market as well. So you can click on next, and with futures trading, you don't actually own any of the token. You're betting on the price of the token. So if you long a futures trade, that means you expect the price to go up, and you can place a bot to purchase when the price is down and sell it when it reaches a certain price. And once it goes back down, the bot can repurchase and then resell over and over again, and this will give you profits. Now, you can also choose to short, and shorting basically means that you think the price of something will go down, and you can enter the amount of investment that you want to put in. And after that, you can enter that you want to short this. And once the price goes up, actually, that means your trade is going to go wrong. And if the price of the token falls, then you will actually get profits because you expected the price to fall down. So this is how you can create bots on the futures grid. Just enter your investment. Then you also have Smart Rebalance, and this is a long-term investment bot. So this will help you diversify your portfolio, and you can create a smart rebalance, and you can go on ahead and invest in multiple different tokens over a longer period of time. You can click on Customize over here to create your own smart rebalance bot and enter the total investment you want to put in and the total number of coins that you want. Next up, you also have in trading bots, you also have a infinity grid. So this will give you a better option if you want to make sure that you are keeping in mind bullish volatility, and this just keeps your risk at a minimum. However, the profits are not as high as other trading bots. Next up, you also have a DCA bot. And this is one of the simple ways that you can make long-term profits in the most simplest fashion. You can simply go on ahead and you can see the investor will divide your total investment over periodic purchases of a specific asset to reduce the impact of volatility on the overall purchase. So you can click on next over here, and let's say I want to invest $3,000 in BTC USDT. And then you can enter your maximum investment. So let's say at max I want to invest 20,000. The amount per investment is going to be 3,000, and slowly but surely the DCA investment will invest $3,000 over and over again into my specific bot, and I will get the investment that I want with the lowest possible price. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.